Meaning of harum-scarum.
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 Harum-scarum. The term harum-scarum is used to describe a person or action that is reckless, impulsive, and lacking in caution. It can be used to describe someone who acts without thinking, takes risks without considering the consequences, or behaves in a wild and unpredictable manner. This phrase can also refer to a situation or event that is chaotic or disorganized. Overall, harum-scarum conveys a sense of disorder, confusion, and heedlessness. It is often used to criticize someone's behavior or to warn against taking unnecessary risks.